Hi teachers, welcome to the e-learning platform of Rice College. Today, I will be introducing a short application, Excel application to record students' attendance. This short application can record the attendance for a semester of the student and which can be used to prepare the consolidated attendance statement. And this Excel file you can download from the description below, or you may make your own file. That will be much better. Okay teachers, so let us go to the Excel file.
So let us open the file, and the file is attendance report with calendar XLS. First we will see how to operate or how to use this file. So here there are three pages or three sheets for this. One is enter details, another one is mark attendance, and the third one is percentage attendance report. So in the first sheet, enter details, let us start entering. For instance, my college is Christ College, so I will enter the college name, Christ College Autonomous, and select program. Since here there is a pull down menu, you can use that pull down menu if you want. And the specialization I teach for chemistry students, so it is BSc chemistry, and semester I am going to take is for the 6th semester, and the paper name is, generally I take physical chemistry 3, and the paper code is CHE 6BO6. Now once I enter such details, I can now add the student's name and student's register number. Some will be following the roll number, or others will be following the register number. Here I have given some duplicate names as student 01 and some student registration number as some duplicate names. So once this is over, we can go to the mark attendance sheet, where here you can see there is an enter semester start date. Here you can change the date of the starting date of the semester. So if this is now it is 9th December 19, and if you are changing it to 1st December 19, you could change here, and you can see what is happening in the sheet. So if I change to 1st December, you can immediately see that there are automatically some changes are happening here. This is a dynamic sheet. So here 1st December is a Sunday, and the Saturdays and Sundays are marked here. Now how I am going to take the attendance? If I want to take the attendance of Monday 2nd December, here there are dates. There is an icon here, mark teaching days. So first you have to do is you have to mark this as a teaching day. That means you are going to take attendance for that day. So there will be a tick mark here. And if you want to go to 3rd December, here also you can go to take these are our working days. And here automatically the days present will be changing here. The student name and the class number, automatically it will update from the first sheet. Now the first student is present on that day or is absent on that day. Here you can take he is absent. And now again student 4 is absent on that day. You can randomly select. Anyway, the specialty of this sheet is that you have to mark only the absent students list. So once this list is over, here there will be another change. Number of working days in the semester will be 2. It is a 2. There will be a function here. Now let us go to the percentage attendance report. Here you can see whatever I have entered in the first and second sheet, it will reflect here. Christ College, BSc Chemistry, semester 6, paper name is there, paper code is there, and the first student is having number of days present is 1 and days absent is 1, and his percentage attendance is 50. Like that, there is this guy, student 2 is number of days present is 2, he is not at all absent, so his percentage attendance is 100, and like that you will be getting the details. Now let us see how this sheet is working. This is just a data entry sheet. There is nothing happening here. You just input the data, and here we have used some functions. One is the time and date functions. Once you enter the date here, it will automatically reflect here. So this is just E2 from here. And now here I have added a text function. Text H6DDD means it will take the text of the first date and it will give it as the day. So this 1st December is a Sunday. It will give like that. And here you can see it is same one. It is giving it as a month. So that here the whole sheet is I have programmed it for 4 months. So you can see that it is there up to 1st April. So for one semester, whole semester, you can use this sheet. Only thing is that you have to update your attendance here. So the functions we have used now, another function we have used is the count A function, and the count A function counts the number of absent days. That's it. Only mainly we have used the time and date function and the count A function in this sheet, and you can get a beautifully percentage attendance report of this one. Once you get the percentage attendance report, you may integrate with the consolidated mark sheet. That we will do in the next video. Thank you. Bye.